in 2 you mentioned parliamentary political party.
Yes.
In 3 you mentioned political party, and in 4 you mentioned party. Is there a distinction between the 3 terms or not?
Sir, in Article 63A, a distinction is made between parliamentary party and political party. So, any political party can have a parliamentary political party, and a parliamentary political party would necessarily be a political party, but you could have a situation where, because a political party does not contest the election, there is no parliamentary party of that.
Does the Constitution distinguish the 2 terms?
Yes. In one of the provisions, 63A, sir.
So I know why you use 2 terms differently.
Yes, because...
No, because is not. Let's read the Constitution. There is no because.
Ji.
Which provision is this?
63A.
It uses the term parliamentary party. It doesn't use the word parliamentary political party. So in a court of law, we have to be very precise. So please, should I delete the word political party? No, you say it, I'll delete it. Okay.
This is only
there is no term parliamentary political party in the Constitution. Okay, now we have parliamentary party and political party. And please refer to the 2 terms where they've been used in the Constitution.
63A.
This is parliamentary party.
Disqualification on ground of defection, etc. If a member of a parliamentary party...
What does this mean, parliamentary party, as opposed to a political party?
You can have a political party which has no seats in parliament, then they will not have a parliamentary party.
So you are a political party and not a parliamentary party.
I am both a political party and a parliamentary party.
Now you may have become one, but you were never that before, correct?
I cannot say about previous elections, but
no,
we did not...
After the elections, 8th of February ko aap kya the?
At 8th of February, I was a political party. When the independents joined, I became a parliamentary party also.
So only when the independents joined, you became a parliamentary party?
Yes.
Okay. Now, who's your parliamentary head, which refers to an explanation? Who's your head?
Parliamentary party head.
Don't ask. This should be a matter of law.
वो आपको बता देते
नहीं बताना होगा ना अभी.
Sir, अभी बता देता हूँ. I'll just tell.
A lot will flow from that.
I don't think a lot will flow from that, but I'll tell your lordship that.
No, because tomorrow the PTI and your head, may be at odds.
Yes, but I don't think anything will flow from that in terms of the question before your lordship. It's not relevant, but I'll tell your lordship the answer.
You don't know the head of your own political party?
No, my lord, I don't have the name right now.
You're a petitioner.
No, sir, I don't have all the information at my fingertips, but I'll inform your lordship.
पार्लियामेंट्री हेड असेंबली में कौन है वो पूछ
सर वो अभी
नाम आपके पिटीशन में लिखा है ना,
पिटिशनर जो है साहबजादा वो हेड ऑफ
सर वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के हेड हैं. जी नॉट द पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी.
इनका क्या कोई इलेक्शन होता है? पार्लियामेंट्री हेड का क्या प्रोसीजर होता है? हाउ डू यू डिटर्मिन इन अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हु इज अ पार्लियामेंट्री हेड?
I think
party head, how do you do it?
I think there's an internal election.
Do you have to notify it? Does it go to ECP?
Sir, I don't have that, the answer
you have to
to
inform the speaker. What do you do?
You, of course, inform the speaker, sir, but I can look into those questions because they were not relevant to the issue before. That is why I didn't prepare on that, sir.
Don't tell us what's relevant.
No, I'm saying it's simply giving my explanation, sir. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि relevant नहीं होंगे. मेरा ये ख्याल था. That is why I didn't get this information.
अच्छा, political parties का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
जी?
Political parties का तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में? ये तो आपने parliamentary parties का बताया हमें. दूसरा टर्म है political parties. उनका तस्करा कहाँ है आइन में?
सर आर्टिकल 17 में भी है और
63A में भी है.
63A में भी है. पार्टी हेड
पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी लिखा हुआ है.
नहीं सर, आगे जाके पार्टी हेड भी है. अगर आप देखिएगा बी में पार्टी हेड का जिक्र है.
Political party head. He may be declared in writing by the party head. इसी में 63A में ही है ये.
कौन है पार्लियामेंट्री
लीडर? हमने मुकर्रर किया. मैं पूछ आंसर को.
पार्टी party and the party head, दोनों लिखा हुआ है और इसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन दी है पार्टी हेड मींस उसका नोट हमने भेज दिया फैसल साहब
जी
एक्सप्लेनेशन में पार्टी हेड मींस एनी पर्सन बाय व्हाटएवर नेम कॉल्ड डिक्लेयर्ड एज सच बाय द पार्टी
जी
इसी में 60
जी
में है
इसीलिए मैं कह रहा था इट्स दी ओनली
No, so from one I've deleted the word political.
जी
Let's frame the questions correctly. And two, I've also deleted the word political. Correct?
जी ठीक
In four, it says party. Should I add the word political?
No,
Should I add the word parliamentary?
so in 4
Yes, you just say party. What shall I add
जी
before
आप
that?
पॉलिटिकल ऐड कर दें सर
Political add.
जी, जी, जी।
ठीक.
और नंबर 3 में ठीक है सर
And is there any reason why some are capitalized and one some are non?
नो देयर इज नो रीजन सर जी
फैसल साहब
जी,
is it possible that there is a parliamentary party
जी
without there being a political party?
आई डोंट
So
थिंक
a political party essentially is a precondition for a parliamentary party.
yes
Any political party that is in the assembly
yes
will be a parliamentary party.
yes
What is the difference between the political party and parliamentary party?
सर यू कैन हैव ए पॉलिटिकल अगर एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इलेक्शंस कंटेस्ट नहीं करती
एक पार्टी ने कंटेस्ट की है, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी भी मौजूद है, उनकी पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी भी है, तो दोनों अलग क्यों है?
सर क्योंकि मेरे ख्याल में अलहदा है इसलिए
ख्याल की बात है, उसके भी 63 में आंसर है
नहीं।
कि जो भी डिसीजन होते हैं पार्लियामेंट के अंदर वो पार्लियामानी पार्टी खुद डिसाइड करती है। जो लाइन ऑफ एक्शन देना होता है पार्लियामानी पार्टी नहीं देती, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं देती
जी।
उसी बेशक उसी पार्टी से हो।
जी, आप बिल्कुल-
मेन डिफरेंस इज दैट
जी, जी।
the parliamentary party decides whatever they decide, and if any candidate violates that decision, go against that decision, he will be defected under section article 63. Once he is defects, then the party head वहाँ पे पार्टी हेड आ जाता है, कैन मूव रेफरेंस अगेंस्ट, और वो रेफरेंस पर स्पीकर और वहाँ से क्या होते होते हैं, ये वो सारा दोनों का डिफरेंस है। यानी अगर पार्टी हेड कह दे कि आपने फ्लॉ को वोट देना है प्राइम मिनिस्टर के उसमें, द पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी इज नॉट बाउंड। वो मान तो सकते हैं लेकिन पाबंद नहीं है कि माने। ये शायद जो मैं समझा
नहीं, आप बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं। और 63A में ही ये डिस्टिंक्शन है। यू विल नॉट फाइंड द वर्ड पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी एनीवेयर एल्स इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एज फार एज आई
दिस इज द डिफरेंस।
Yes.
चलो आगे चलें।
Yes. So these are the questions. अब सर आपने स्पेसिफिकली पूछा था नंबर 2 के हवाले
No,
से।
ये आपने लिखा है file the nomination papers and the list of candidates.
Yes.
Can you keep referring which pages we'll find this
Yes.
on?
अगर
2 में ये nomination
अगर
papers.
नंबर 1 मैं क्योंकि जी
ये बताइए कि जो प्रोविजन दैट वी आर कंसिडरिंग 51
जी
उसमें क्या व्हाट डज दैट रेफर टू?
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है सर।
पॉलिटिकल
जी
क्यों है पॉलिटिकल पार्टी? इसमें पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी क्यों नहीं है?
जी
क्यों? रीजन इज इस वक्त तक पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी हैज नॉट येट कम इनटू
यस यस
एंड द रीजन फॉर दैट इज कि इस वक्त तक मेंबर्स ने ओथ नहीं लिया। मेंबर्स ओथ लेंगे तो पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी विल कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस।
जी जी
So I think we need to focus on political party. Parliamentary party in the context that we are looking at, with very great respect to your formulations,
यस
seems to me prima facie to be irrelevant.
यस
That lies in the future.
यस
एक दफा सीट्स प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन पे एलोकेट होंगी, रिजर्व सीट से खवातीन और नॉन मुस्लिम जो हैं वो आएंगे, वो ब्लॉक बनेगा। प्रेसिडेंट साहब विल कॉल द सेशन ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, नेशनल असेंबली और प्रोविंशियल असेंबली एज द केस में बी, मेंबर्स ओथ लेंगे, फिर वो जो सारे हैं at that instant they will spring into life as respective parliamentary parties. So we have to look at not parliamentary party. Maybe under 63A you have some other point, I don't know, I have not fully followed that argument. But the focus of our discussion is political party. And there's a reason, because language of the clause with which we are interested says political party. And there's a reason, as I've just explained. So zara us taraf focus kijiye. Don't go off into, with all due respect, don't mind my saying it, into these tangents of parliamentary party and this, that. Your questions have to relate to political party, which is why I asked you yesterday, for purposes of this, what is the meaning of political party in this specific context?
इसमें मैं ऐड करता हूँ, political party जो 51B